So you remember the garden space from the last episode? Well, here it is, and it's fully tilled, and it looks beautiful. The work that it took to get here, well, it's a little bit. You can see it all right here. If you have the availability to have a tractor come in instead of having to hoe all this yourself, and or any other primitive means, this is the way to do it right here. If it's cost effective for you, do it. But this also brings into question, which we're going to be experimenting with this year, is how well somebody's tilling methods, people that like to till over and over and over and disrupt the soil and the natural bacteria that are underneath the soil at all the times, and all the worms and all the good stuff, how doing that versus potted gardening or hugel gardening does. So we're going to have a fun experiment, but I'll be here with you all the way to show you the difference in the production. So typical square body gardening like this is pretty easy if you have the land for it, but I really want to show the difference in messing with the soil and not messing with the soil, and how much that matters. Because I'm not a big fan of the whole tilling method, except for once for breaking up the land a little bit before it's planting time. If I could do everything in pots, I would. If everything that I did, and which I'll show you in further videos, if I could do it that way, I'd rather do it that way. However, if you do have the land, you got the equipment to do it, to till it all up, at least get it ready the first time, I say go for that if you can. But I'm pretty excited to go ahead and show you in the next few videos the gigantic difference in the speed at which stuff grows in a good cultivated soil rather than a constantly tilled soil. So, anyways, I'll see you next time.